we are in the forest. Don't know where we're going. I think we're lost. But at least I'm here with my wife. Yeah, it's always good to be in a dangerous forest full of weird, scary trees and not be alone. So if we die, at least I'm not dying alone. We haven't encountered any wildlife yet, but it's only a matter of time. Well, it seems like we've made some progress. We have a path over here, but the problem is we have another path over here, so don't really know which one to pick. Don't know where it leads, so looks like we're gonna take our chances and take that path, right, babe?
Yes.
Well, I don't know where this path is leading us, but I'm making sure that my wife goes first, so that if anything happens, I know that I have to run in the other direction. That is one big pile of shit. Well, it looks like we reached a dead end, and there's two paths to take now, and this is the safe one, and this is the not safe one. So, I don't know what you would pick, but it looks like we are going to pick the dangerous one. So, wish us luck. So, we decided to take the dangerous path, and we are regretting it very much. But we're going to be brave. We're going to get through this together. Well, it seems we made it to the bottom of the hill. Not easy, but we did it. Now the path ahead. So we decided to stop because we heard the sound of water flowing, and we can see that there is a river here, and well, there's not really anything exciting happening here, so we're gonna move on. Hey, babe, hold on.
What?
This bridge doesn't look very safe, doesn't look stable. You should probably go first just to make sure. Okay. You do know I was just kidding back there, right? Come on, you're not gonna be silent the rest of the day, are you? Okay, we're gonna do this. We're gonna be silent for the rest of the day. Great. Well, looks like we are back on our path. Good job, babe. Still not talking to me. Alright, so it looks like we've reached the end of our path. I don't know if you can see it right in there. But the only problem is we can't get there. So we need to figure out a different path. So here we go again. Okay, this doesn't look like the path we're supposed to be taking here. So if we were to go this way, who would go first? You're right. No one. Let's go somewhere. All right, so we apparently got turned around here, but I think we finally got ourselves back on our path. So we are not lost in the woods anymore. We are lost somewhere else. Yeah, we have no car and we are walking and we don't know where we're going. Any thoughts?
I'll just follow the road.
Well, we are completely lost. We don't know where our car is. But you know what? At least my wife is talking to me again because that's important.
Yeah. So we still have 640 meters to
640 meters. All right, so at least we're not completely lost.
Thank you for
Lead the way!
1%. You're still working.
Okay, well, that was a very long walk, but we are back on track. I hope this time we are. So, we started off our trail well, and eventually we got lost for a long time. But, you know, with everything, seeing this view is worth it in the end. So, we are happy that we got to see the fall.